Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage profanity and other filters for chats in Steam. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Steam in the top left corner of the screen, navigate to the settings, enter friends and chat, here scroll down and then you should be able to find chat filtering. We can click on manage, then scroll down and somewhere at the bottom you should be able to find chat filtering. And we can adjust language preferences, filter strong profanity and slurs with the heart of us or the stars, allow strong profanity but filter slurs, do not filter strong profanity or slurs. We can also go for user group preferences, do not filter text from my Steam friends, we can enable or disable it. We can also add our custom words for the filtered words and always filter these words. There's also option for never filter these words. We can also click here to view our custom words that we've added and either remove or just clear the entire tab. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.